Welcome. If you want to keep your most important group chats at the top of your inbox on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to pin a group conversation on X using your PC following the latest update. This feature helps you quickly access your favorite group chats without scrolling through endless messages. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to X by typing x.com in the address bar. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages tab. This will take you to your direct messages inbox, where all your private and group chats are listed. Now, find the group conversation you want to pin. You can either scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to type in the group's name for quicker access. Once you've located the group, don't click on it just yet. Instead, move your mouse pointer over the group chat. When you hover over it, you'll see a three-dot icon appear next to the conversation. Click on these three dots to open a small menu of options. From this menu, select Pin Conversation. As soon as you do this, your chosen group chat will be pinned to the top of your messages list, making it easy to find every time you open your inbox. That's all it takes. Now, your most important group chat is always just a click away. You can pin up to 6 conversations, so feel free to organize your inbox with your most active or essential groups. If you ever want to unpin a conversation, just repeat these steps and choose Unpin Conversation instead. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of X. Stay organized and enjoy chatting.